Vamos continuar. Eu já tinha dado a dica que só existem duas formas do passado, né, do verbo to be, que a gente já conheceu as duas, conhecemos a was no neutro, né? It was, e conhecemos o were no plural. They were. The weekends, right? The weekends were. They were. Agora vamos dar uma olhadinha nas outras pessoas. Como é que é? Olha só como é molezinha, molezinha. I was. É a mesma coisa que o neutro. I was. Vamos lá, repete. I was. I was. I was here. Now. I was there. Now I'm here. Né? Eu estava lá, agora estou aqui. I was there. Now I'm here. Né? Where are you? I'm here. Where were you? Where were you? I was here. Ou então, I was there. Alright? Eu estava lá. Ou eu estava aqui. Então, I was. Eu era ou estava. You, já aprendemos, é o mesmo do they. You were. Vamos lá. You were. He was igual o neutro. He was. Again, he was. She, igualzinho. She was. Again, she was. It was. Que a gente já sabia, né? It was. Again, it was. You, mesma coisa do singular, mesma coisa do they, you were. E they were. All right. Viu como é molezinha? Muito molezinha. Então vamos repetir todos. Vamos lá. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. You were. They were. Mais molezinha que isso não tem jeito, né? Não dá. Agora vamos praticar então todo mundo com os nossos personagens. Olha aqui a pergunta. Where were they? Olha a diferença do som. Where é aberto. Were é fechado, tá? Cuidado, senão vai confundir um com o outro. Where were. Vamos lá, repete os dois. Where were. Again, where were. Where were they? All right, again, where were they? Onde é que eles estavam? Né? Where were they? All right, where was Morrow? Agora eu tenho que colocar no singular porque é ele, né? Não são eles mais. Where was Morrow? Morrow was home. Ou então was at home. Os dois estão certos, tá? Morrow was at home. All right. Where was Beth? Beth was at home too. Was Beth alone at home? Alone? Ela estava sozinha? Was Beth alone at home? No, she wasn't. She was with Morrow. Certo? Estava com Morrow. No, she was not alone. She was with Morrow. Então, me dê essa resposta. No, tananã, not alone. Já estava com tal. Então, vamos lá. Where was Danny? Danny was at the pool, at the swimming pool. Was Danny alone at the swimming pool? No, he was not alone. He was with Paul. All right. Was Morrow alone at home? No, he was not alone. He was with Beth. All right. Was Bob alone at the beach? Yes, he was. Porque olha só, ninguém mais estava na praia, só ele. Então, where was Tina? Tina was at Target. All right. Was Kathy at Target? No, she wasn't. Where was she? She was at the cattle. All right. Was John at the cattle or at Target? John was neither at the cattle nor at Target. He was at home. Dá até para a gente colocar um alone aí, né? He was alone at home. Até rima, tá vendo? He was alone at home. Why was he alone at home? Why? Because Kathy was at the cattle, Tina was at Target, and Bob was at the beach. Perfect. Very good. Why was. Olha só, the baby. Olha só, the baby. Why was the baby at home alone? Ou então, alone at home. Wait a minute. Espera aí um pouquinho. Attention. Where was the baby? The baby was at home with the babysitter. Who is the babysitter? Baby é bebê, né? Sit é sentar. Então, sitter é a pessoa que senta. Então, é a pessoa que, imagina, tá com o bebê na mão, vai sentar o bebê no berço, na cadeira. É uma junção de palavra que vira babá, certo? Babysitter, babá. Então, was the baby alone at home? No, he wasn't, porque nós sabemos que é um boy, né? No, he wasn't. He was with the babysitter. All right. Was the baby at home with the babysitter? Yes, he was. Was Bob at home? No, he wasn't. Where was Bob? He was at the beach. Was Paul at home? No, he wasn't. Where was he? He was at the swimming pool. Was he at the swimming pool alone? Or was he alone at the swimming pool? No, he was not. He was with Danny. All right. Who is Danny? Danny is his brother. All right. Is Danny his father? No, he isn't. Who is Danny? Danny is his brother. All right. Where was Peter? Peter was at the football game. All right. Was Peter at the football game with Danny and Paul? No, he wasn't. He was at the football game alone. Então, he was alone at the football game. Why wasn't Peter with Danny and Paul? All right, because Danny and Paul were at the swimming pool. Ou então were at the pool, tá? Não precisa repetir, não precisa falar o swimming, também pode. Where was Kathy? Kathy was at the cattle. Was Liza at the cattle too? No, she wasn't. She was at the supermarket. All right. Was Liza at the supermarket with Chang? No, she wasn't. Why wasn't she with Chang? Because Chang was at the baseball game. All right. Was Peter at the baseball game? Where was he? He was at the football game. All right. Was Paul at the football game or at the baseball game? All right, Paul was neither at the football game nor at the baseball game. He was at the pool, at the swimming pool, right? And where was Leo? Leo was in the yard. Lembra do yard na escola, quando a gente viu o the school map? Tinha o yard, aquela área, né? Era o jardim, era a área, né? Então, o yard, agora, o yard, a gente não existe a variação de at e in para o yard. Porque quando você diz I am at the beach, você pode estar ali na beira da água, você pode estar na areia, você pode estar do lado de fora, em frente à praia. At é o geral. At school, você pode estar dentro da escola, pode estar fora, pode estar na frente, atrás. Não dá para saber. Então a gente fala, he is at school. Agora, no yard, não, porque o yard não tem variação. O yard é aquela área. Então não tem como dizer tá perto do yard. Não. O yard is a preposição, the preposition is in, tá? Leo was in the yard. All right. Where was Leo? All right. Was Leo in the yard? Yes, he was. Perfect. Was Jasmine in the yard too? No, she wasn't. Where was she? She was in the garden. Exatamente. In the garden. A mesma ideia. Was she in the garden? All right. Where was she? Attention. Where was the bird? The bird was in the bird cage. Também tem que ser a preposition in, porque a gente está vendo que ele está dentro da gaiola, né? Where was the bird? The bird was in the bird cage. Was the bird in the bird cage? Yes, it was. Where was the bird? Was the bird with Leo in the bird cage? No, he wasn't. He was alone in the bird cage. Poor bird, né, pobrezinho? Poor bird. Poor bird. And the fish. Where was the fish? The fish was in the fish bowl. All right. Was the fish in the fish bowl? Yes, it was. Was the fish in the bird cage? No, it wasn't. Where was the fish? The fish was in the fish bowl. Who was in the fish bowl? The fish was in the fish bowl. Who was in the bird cage? The bird was in the bird cage. Vocês veem que a gente está perguntando who, que é quem, né? Mas esses são bichinhos de estimação, então você pode tratar como quem. Também pode falar what, né? Mesma coisa, tudo bem. Pode falar what was in the fish bowl. The fish was in the fish bowl. All right. Who was at the beach? Bob was at the beach. Who was at home? John, Beth, and Morrow were at home. All right. John, Beth, and Morrow were, or John, Beth, and Morrow were at home. All right. Who was at the swimming pool? Paul and Danny were at the swimming pool. Who was at the football game? All right. Who was in the yard? Leo was in the yard. Who was in the garden? Jasmine was in the garden. Perfect. Was Tina at the beach? No, she wasn't. All right. Who was at the beach? Bob was. All right. What animal was in the cage? What animal was in the cage? The bird was in the cage. What animal? Animal. What animal was in the fish bowl? The fish was in the fish bowl. Perfect. Eu posso perguntar também, what person was at home? What person? Que pessoa estava em casa? What person was at home? John, Beth, and Morrow were at home. All right. Where was the baby? The baby was at home with the babysitter. Was the baby alone at home? No, he wasn't. He was with the babysitter. Perfect. Who was the baby at home with? Olha só, with é com, né? Quem ele estava com, né? Com quem ele estava? Quem ele estava com? Who was the baby at home with? The baby was at home with the babysitter. Who was Danny at the beach, at the swimming pool with? Danny was at the swimming pool with Paul. All right. Who was at Borrow at home with? Morrow was at home with Beth. Perfect. Perfect. Who was the baby at home with? Perfect. The baby was at home with the babysitter. Perfect. Perfect. Fala a verdade. Não é difícil, né? É novidade, mas a gente vai aprendendo com calma. Alright? Capricha aí. Assiste de novo, repete, responde as perguntas, pergunta também, e assim a gente vai indo e gravando com calma, o cérebro vai se acostumando. Alright? Então, capricha e volta que tem mais. See you later, alligator!